Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I am excited to share with you 3 quick and easy, inexpensive DIYs. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and I hope that you will love what I'm about to share with you. Now, this DIY is sponsored by Burlap Fabric. I will link down below their website. It is burlapfabric.com. and they sent me some items to work with. So I'm excited to jump right in and see what we can create with these items. I checked them out and I love the quality of the fabric, the burlap, and I've never seen this color burlap before. It is thick, it is wonderful, it's well woven, so I really like what I receive from them. So if you do like these DIYs, I ask you to go over and check out their website. So let's jump right into this DIY burlap that I was sharing with you from Burlap Fabric. Love the quality of it, and it is well woven. I like that a lot. So I'm going to use a piece of their burlap. You will need a cardboard, and I went ahead and spray painted gold because I want this to be my back side. You will need a sign. You will also need a hoop, and of course you guys know you can haul that from Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Walmart sells them as well. You'll need some of the lavender, and these I got from Walmart, and I love these versus the ones from the Dollar Tree. These little roses came from Burlap Fabric as well. They're pretty sturdy, so I really like the way that these little roses, they come in various colors. They sent me a burgundy, which I did on my tablescape. I created a little candle holder, which I will do for you today as well, so that you get understanding of how I came about that simple but yet elegant candle that I did. With this fabric, the burlap, I went ahead and pulled some of the fabric out so that I could have little strips of strings to work with. So I will need that in order to hang my little wreath I'm about to create. So I am going to do a farmhouse wreath for you. You will need your cutter, your box cutter, to cut out your cardboard. You'll need scissors to cut your fabric. You'll need glue gun and glue sticks. Now, what I want to first do is go ahead and lay a generous amount of glue down onto my board. So this is how it looks, and I went ahead and took 6 pieces of the strings of burlap, and what I want to do is, because I can't use diamond wrap and I want to have a trim, I'm going to go ahead and twist them a bit, lay it on top, and go all the way around, just to create a trimming. Go slowly so that it will come out clean for you. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this all the way around, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I went all the way around with the twine just to finish it off, give it a border. and that's the back side. So I finish off the back with some of these twine as well. So I finished off the back just so that it has a clean finish. And I also went ahead and created with the same twine from the fabric a bow. I'm thinking I would like to have a bow right in the center. Now where I joint both of my little twine, I'm going to go ahead and put my bow there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add a generous amount of glue. And I don't think I'm going to get all the letters, so I'm going to focus mainly on the larger pieces on the end, a bit in the middle, and I think that should be sufficient. Make sure you center it properly and press. Over. Take the same twine that you clipped off the bow and just make an X, cross it right by the bow. I'm going to go ahead and lay a generous amount of glue and lay that twine on top of the glue. Secure it with a piece of cardboard. So then you're going to take the glue and go back over the twine and lay your cardboard, and it will give you an excellent hole, even with the glue. And like I mentioned, you can use E6000 if you prefer, if it's a gift. So this next DIY is going to be a candle, and I shared with you guys on my tablescape this one that I created for my farmhouse tablescape that I did. So what you will need is one of the Dollar Tree tower games, and that's just the tumbling blocks. I'm going to go with the dark ones. They come in various colors. I want to say they come in 2 or 3 different colors. We're going to go with the dark. I went ahead and took some of the twine from the burlap fabric that I shared with you that I just used for the wreath, and I'm going to use it instead of the Dollar Tree twine. I used the Dollar Tree twine there. Then 2 of the burlaps roses that you can haul from burlap fabric. You will need your glue gun and your glue sticks, and we can get started on this. The first thing you want to do, even if you're not using the burlap from the burlap fabric, you're using the Dollar Tree twine, you can go ahead and take, I want to say this is 7 strips. 7 strips, or however amount you want. It just depends on how thick you want it to be. And I'm going to lay some glue down. I don't want this to be tight. I want it to be loose. And I'm going to wrap my twine around. Just like that. And it's rustic, so it's no worries at all to doesn't have to be perfect, even though we do want to have it look very nice. Then you're gonna lay some glue down and just finish it off. Just like that. Okay. You can flare it out if you'd like, make it wider. Then you're going to take your stick and work your way in between both flowers. Just like that. Quick, easy, inexpensive farmhouse, spring or fall. It just depends on whatever color you choose to use. And that's it, guys. All right, if you like the way that this turned out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I believe I'm just going to leave it at 2. The third one that I'm going to do for you is going to be a wall shelf. I'm going to make that a video on its own. So I will post that for you later on, family and friends. Go ahead and check out the link that I have down below of burlapfabric.com and haul some of these beautiful, beautiful roses and burlap. I cannot wait to share with you later on today the next DIY.